breaking news. We just learned Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg is not opposed to delaying former President Trump's July 11th sentencing. This comes as President Trump attempts to set aside the verdict in this New York criminal trial on immunity grounds. We will dig into this much more with attorney Leo Terrell in just a few minutes.
And that's what's happening. Yahoo News just reports that prosecutors won't oppose Trump's sentencing delay in hush money case after high court immunity ruling. What does this mean for Trump's future and the lawfare cases against him? We have so much to unpack here on Beyond the Headlines, only on Vigilant News. This segment is sponsored by Done With Debt, providing emergency debt relief solutions to American patriots without having to file for bankruptcy or pull out a personal loan. I'm Elijah Schaefer. Let's start the show. Yahoo News reports the prosecutors are not going to oppose a Trump sentencing delay. This is shocking news. Manhattan prosecutors said Tuesday that they would not oppose Donald Trump's request to delay the sentencing in hush money trial as he seeks to have the conviction overturned following a Supreme Court ruling that granted broad immunity protections to presidents. In a letter filed with the New York court, prosecutors with Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg's office said that they would be open to a delay of at least 2 weeks in the July 11th sentencing in order to file a response to Trump's motions. If granted by Judge Juan Merchan, the delay would mean that Trump won't learn his sentence until after he is formally nominated at the Republican National Convention in Milwaukee, which starts on July 15th. This leaves open the possibility that he could be ordered to jail during a critical stretch of his campaign. The letter came one day after Trump's attorney requested the judge delay the sentencing as he weighs the high court's ruling and how it could influence the New York case. The Supreme Court's decision grants broad immunity to presidents for any official acts, while also restricting prosecutors from citing any official acts as evidence in trying to prove a president's unofficial actions violated the law. In their filing, defense attorneys argue that Manhattan prosecutors had placed highly prejudicial emphasis on official acts evidence, including Trump's social media posts and witness testimony about Oval Office meetings. Prosecutors said Tuesday that they believed those arguments were without merit, but noted that they were not opposed to adjourning sentencing as the judge considers the matter. Trump was convicted May 30th on 34 counts of falsifying business records, arising from what prosecutors said was an attempt to cover up a $130,000 hush money payment to porn actor Stormy Daniels just before the 2016 presidential election. Daniels claims that he had sexual encounter with Trump in 2006. She, don't want to mispronounce her pronouns, after meeting him at a celebrity golf tournament in Lake Tahoe. Trump has repeatedly denied the claim, saying that his June 27th debate with President Joe Biden, "I didn't have sex with a porn star." Prosecutors said that Daniels' payment was part of a broader scheme to buy the silence of people who might have gone public during the campaign with embarrassing stories alleging that he had extramarital sex. Trump's former lawyer, Michael Cohen, paid Daniels and was later reimbursed by Trump, whose company logged the reimbursements as legal expenses. Falsifying business records is punishable by up to 4 years behind bars. Other potential sentences include probation, a fine, or a conditional discharge, which would require Trump to stay out of trouble to avoid additional punishment. Trump is the first ex-president convicted of a crime. Trump will be required to be present in Merchan's Manhattan courtroom, which he is sentenced. Trump's campaign did not immediately respond to a request for comments, and that's from the Associated Press. Now, it's to no surprise, right, that they're trying to put Trump behind bars, but this delay in sentencing at least gives some chance that maybe the Supreme Court ruling did actually create some legal ground to defend Trump from being illegally prosecuted by his political opponents. We've not seen corruption like this in the United States, so brazen, so open in our lifetime. And to watch Biden do this while claiming immunity. Now, apologies as I'm kind of actually in a closet as I'm just moving houses. And so I'm moving studios, building a new studio. But I can tell you this, life is kind of messy, especially when it comes to our finances. Because of people like Biden, we're all paying the price, especially at the pump in the grocery store. Listen, if you have debt right now and you're having trouble paying it off, it doesn't matter why. The point is that you've got to stop ignoring it. And I want to let you know that my friends at Done With Debt have the solution for you right now, but I have to let you know it's time sensitive. If you want to get rid of your debt today and you don't want to file for bankruptcy and don't want to pull out a personal loan, what you need to do is go to donewithdebt.com, donewithdebt.com today. Use Vigilant News promo code at checkout and they'll take care of you. That's all you've got to do. Vigilant News at checkout. Go to donewithdebt.com, links on the screen, get rid of your debt. Now, as I say in conclusion, The problem with this is that they're trying to put Trump behind bars, but it looks like the Supreme Court might have actually gotten in the way in a last-minute save. But the left is calling now, as Cory Bush said, to stack the court, expand the court, and some are even calling to bomb the court. That's not a joke. Let me know your thoughts below on what you think is going to happen to Trump. Do you think that the Supreme Court saved his life, or do you think that he's still going to end up behind bars? Drop a comment down below. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe to our Rumble channel at Vigilant News or to our X account at Vigilant News. And if you like these videos, direct to your inbox, sign up for our newsletter at vigilantnews.com. I'm Elijah Schaefer. Have a great rest of the week, and may God bless the United States of America. I'm signing out.